The last component for the financial assistant menu is 11.19 year-end functions. The first one under year-end functions is 11.19.1, which is write-off debtor accounts. When you click on this user message pops up saying, please remember to select your fee account. You can specify by grade, then again by the date of the balance, and then your year. You can then order your list by the learner or by a specific account number. If you wish to select a specific account, you can type it in here or select by the specific account if you know it already. The account number, learner information, how much they're owing, and then how much you're willing to write off you can fill in here. And once you've filled that in, a balance will be given, and if you're writing all of it off, then the balance will be 0. You can also select the transaction date to say when the transaction will go through. Once you are finished, you can process the transactions, and then all the owing or the debt will be written off as with the transaction dates. Remember that red indicates overpayment by the debtor, which means they are in credit. Remember to enter the amounts to write off, and remember to print these before you process your transaction. So remember to print this grid before you use the process transactions option, and click on done to close it. No, I do not want to save any information. 11.19.2 process year-end transactions. First you need to select a year, then select a date to process these year-end transactions. The balance on your take-on balance control account, so you cannot process your year-end unless the balance is 0. So before you can process your year-end, you need to have a balance of 0, meaning that your expenditure matches your income, that everything is captured within those two. Even if you're making a loss, all your expenses and all your income must be accounted for. Then you need to confirm that a hard copy of each report has been printed and filed for the current financial year to be closed. So here you're required to tick first. Sorry, I haven't selected a year yet. You need to tick first and then say year-end actions confirmed. Once your account is at 0 and you have made sure that you have printed copies of all this, then you can run the year end, and it will close your financial year for you and roll over any debts to the next year or credits. Click on done to close that. Then the next one is the new financial year. So it will show you this financial year, the old one. You can then close this period, and you can select the date which you want to close it, and then you can add a new period for the next year, running from, you can choose January to December. And then again, if you wish to delete a period, you can select it and delete it. Click on done. And the last one is delete archived data. So any archived data within a certain year, for example 2011, you can delete all that information. And that is the end of the financial assistant module.